Okay, do want to re-emphasize to be careful with that aircraft cleaner. I got just a little tiny drop of that stuff on my finger and it burns. So wear gloves. All right, I'm sure I'll be okay. My finger's not gonna fall off or anything, but it does burn. So what I'm doing now is just kind of waiting for that aircraft cleaner to completely set in and strip the clear coat off my wheels. What I've done, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my center caps and I'll probably just wash and polish off my nuts. My nuts, yeah. Anyways, fun little project. Just thought I'd let you know exactly what I did.